If you want to learn how to do eyebrow tint and eyelash tint, you need to take some type of training. Obviously, the best type of training is free. But how do you go about finding this? There are several different ways that you can find lift training sessions. Keep watching. YouTube. If you are looking for a way to learn that doesn't involve needing a professional license, you can simply learn by going onto YouTube University. This is a great way to get the basics of tinting so that you can do it yourself. You should spend time browsing around to watch multiple videos to learn from more than just one other person. Google. Another way that you may be able to learn more about tinting is to do a quick Google search. You will get a general idea about how to do it as well as where to go for more advanced training. Lash stuff training. The best way to get free training is to find professionals that are doing the training. The Lash Stuff Lash Lift training is the perfect free training for licensed professionals. You'll be able to get certified to be a professional by learning from the best, the professionals who already know what they're doing. On top of this training being free, you will also be able to make more money from being able to provide even more value to your customers. You'll even get a Lash Stuff Lash Lift training course certification to show that you are certified. You can do this training course online, attend a class in person, and even watch a Lash Lift training video whenever you want. Become certified. If you take the right training course, you can easily become certified as an eyebrow and eyelash tint specialist. While holding this certification may be cool, the benefits of certification far surpass that. When customers or potential customers know that you are certified in the specialty, they are more likely to choose you over and over again rather than someone else. The certification comes with the knowledge and experience in eyebrow and eyelash tinting that other makeup artists may not have. A lot of the time when you have a certification, you may even be able to work somewhere that pays you more money and is more prestigious as well. Make more money. If you have more training in a certain specialty, you have the ability to make more money. Not only is this because you are more educated in the field, but more people are going to trust you. You may also feel more confident in what you were doing, which means that you can do it faster. The quicker you're able to do tintings, the more money you're going to be able to make. Latest trends. While you may not think that there are too many changing trends in the beauty world, this could not be further from the truth. While you may be able to Google and ask around for the latest trends, this is not going to help you actually apply to trends. When you go through training for lash tinting or eyebrow tinting, you are able to learn the trends with their application. This will set you apart from other makeup artists and estheticians in your area. If you are able to do a trend that no one else can do at the moment, you will get more customers coming to you. For more info, visit our site today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.